Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited to review a robot vacuum and mop by 3i. Hi! There's someone who wanna say hi. Hi! Hi my little baby, this is Vera, she's my baby. If you have a toddler, you need a robotic vacuum and mop. 100% from experience. So today I am reviewing the robot vacuum and mop by 3i, the G10 Plus. So this is a robot vacuum and mop with a compression dustbin, which means it have a quiet dust compression, which gonna bring up the dust storage for up to 60 days. And that means free hands for 60 days. How amazing is that? So the dustbin includes a built-in UV light that eliminates 99.99% of any allergens to protect your and your family's health. It also works with the ultra-rich edge mopping and sweeping technology, as well as it has an 18,000 of PA suction power, which this is very impressive, especially for this price range. It's double than the market standard. And of course that it's got AI, so it is working with AI dirt scan cleaning strategy. Well guys, crazy tech review is ahead of us. Let's get started.
So if you are tired of babysitting your robot vacuum, emptying it every few days, or dealing with loud, bulky ducts, well, the 3i G10 Plus robot vacuum and mop is about to change all that. It's the world's first robotic vacuum with built-in debris compression and an extendable mop. And it's geniusly the most hands-off experience I've tested so far. The star feature is the 60 days of hands-free cleaning with no base station, no dust bags, and no loud emptying noise. So how does it work? Well, instead of transferring the dirt to the dock as everyone else out there is doing, the G10 Plus uses a patented mechanical compression paddle, which is installed inside its spacious 1-liter bin to quietly compress debris as it cleans. It's also way more hygienic. The bin features a built-in UV light, which was tested by the Guangzhou Institute of Microbiology group to achieve up to 100% of sterilization. You don't need replacement bags, there is nothing to clog, and no dust cloud when you empty it. This is an amazing feature. It's the world's first robotic vacuum with that type of a patented technology to work with, and it's super cool. It's better and more hygienic than the traditional way of sucking it all up into the robot station. And as a result, it's got no big and bulky station with it. It is aesthetic, cute, small, compact, lightweight, and navigate anywhere in a pristine way. Now guys, let's talk about the abilities to clean of this robot. So, most robot vacuums leave corners untouched, but not this one. It works with the ultra-rich side brush, which extends outward to sweep deep into edges, while the adaptive mop hugs baseboards and slides under furniture. This synergy delivering 100% of edge and corner coverage. It's powered by the DTOF LiDAR technology. It has a dual 3D structured light sensors and an AI camera. The G10 Plus builds 3D maps and able to recognize more than 100 different object types and navigates like a flagship robot. It avoided every shoe, table leg, and dog ball in my home with zero issues. The G10 Plus isn't just smart, it's also very strong. It delivers 18,000 of PA of suction ability, which is 2 times stronger than most competitors. The floating roller brush stays in close contact with the floor, so it lifts everything from cereal and dust to emptied pet hair. It also works with an AI dirt scan, which is detecting dirt levels using built-in LED lighting, and as a result, it is auto-adjust the suction by itself automatically. It is behave literally like a human. It has a real eyes just like ours. It sees an object, it recognizes what it is, and it makes the decision to make the suction stronger, to avoid it, or to start cleaning a wet mess. It's completely hands-free. I didn't have to tweak a thing. Now let's talk about the performance on carpets. So the G10 Plus automatically will lift them up to keep them dry once it's gonna sense a carpet underneath. Then it's gonna boost its suction application to a maximum for a deep clean. And it does amazing on carpets. It will pick up any pet hair, any smallest debris. It will suck it all up from your carpets with an ease. It's small, but so very powerful. Now, it also works, of course, with a smart application. It has the 3i app where you can set no mope zones, enable carp avoidance settings, or create any custom routines for vacuuming and mopping. The application allows you to completely and fully customize and personalize your robot due to your own personal needs. It also works with Google Assistant and Alexa, so you can start or pause cleaning with a voice command. Now, guys, in conclusion, the 3i G10 Plus robot vacuum and mop delivers a true hands-free cleaning experience with a powerful suction, advanced AI technology, with a full edge coverage and the zero dust, bags, or noise. Tap the link in the description box to check it out and use my code for a discount.
Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. I'm really curious to know. Let me know if you are using any robot vacuums around your house, or are they vacuum and mops as well? Let me know your opinion, and what do you do in your everyday life? So guys, be so very sure to check this G10 Plus by 3i out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, any possible way to save some money of yours. So you snooze, you lose, and don't tell me no one told you before. So yeah, check out the description box. All the information is there. And well, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.